Welcome back, Hot Wheelers. It's your DCS right here. How are you all been, guys? I hope you guys are doing fine, in this COVID situation. So in today's show, it is the Hot Wheels series. That's as usual. But the car is the thing to talk about, guys, because it is a very superb car. It is none other than the 90cc Shelby GT500, a very cool retro muscle car, a pony car. It's a very good one, guys, and it's got 5 out of 10 in HW flames, and it's not the same without the Hot Wheels flame. But that's keeping all those aside, this car is so damn awesome. Why is it awesome? Because of its design and its power, guys. Back in the day, it made a lot of power, and also the color does not suit it. It had to be different. But I like the wheel rims though, they're cool. So yeah, it also had another edition that was the Shelby GT500 KR, which meant King of the Road. So that edition had the Cobra Jet engine, which produced up to 335 horsepower. But that was claimed by the factory. But in real, it made more than 400 horsepower. That's what made this car so famous and cool. So yeah, guys, let's talk about this car a bit later. So going for the previous video which I uploaded, it was the 86 Monte Carlo SS. Yes, the car which was the first person luxury car from Chevy. If you want to watch that, check it out. It'll be up in the screen right here. So the quiz, guys, yeah, previous week I put the quiz. So the question was, this particular car brand is known for hitting huge crowds. It has come up in many memes also. So the answer is pretty simple, guys. It's the Mustangs. So the first person to actually comment that was our usual buddy. It is Danush B. Congratulations there, buddy. You just won a shout out from me again. So yeah, now we got nothing to talk about. Let's just move on for the unboxing of this GT500, guys. And now, guys, the Shelby GT500 is unboxed, and wow, actually the design is pretty awesome. It is really good, guys, and the metal feel is also very nice. I really like that, but it lacks a bit of detailing. That is the usual, the headlamp detailing and also the rear tail lamps detailing too. But it's okay, and it misses the side view mirrors, which is a bit disappointing. But rather than that, I really like the flames on this car, and the wheel rims, as I mentioned earlier, it's pretty nice, and the interior is also pretty nice. I really like the interiors too. It's kind of like the actual seats of it. So yeah, guys, and the exhaust detailing is also pretty nice. It's really carved out on the metal, so that makes it look even cooler. And the tints, guys, the black tint, it really suits it, but only if it was in a different color. If the car was in a different color, it would really be so damn cool. And there you have it, guys. That's a round look of the car. So yeah, let's just go for the information of it now. Oh yeah, I just forgot to mention, this is the bottom of the Shelby G500 Hot Wheel. So yeah, it is pretty nice. I really like it, guys. So let's go for the info. So here we are for the information of the 90cc Shelby GT500, the very cool and classic pony car. As this is a performance muscle car, I just want to talk about the top speed at the beginning. So the top speed of this car is claimed to be 150 miles per hour, which is 241 kilometers per hour. That is a really good top speed. Even today, it is a very good top speed, guys. And going for the 0 to 60 time, this car does it in 4.6 seconds, which is a really impressive time. Even today, it is a really good time, guys. Well, going for the engine, guys, the engine, at first you have the 428 cubic inch 7-liter V8. That is the usual police interceptor engine. And then you have the 428 cubic inch 7-liter Cobra Jet V8. So the difference between these two engines is that the Cobra Jet engine, it has a larger exhaust manifold and a better intake, so it produces much more power than the usual 7-liter V8. So going for the price, guys, the price at present, it is ranging from $155,000 to about $300,000, which is really, really expensive. And moving on to the transmission, guys, the transmission, you have two options. That's the 3-speed automatic, and then you have the 4-speed manual. I would really prefer the 4-speed manual, especially in this car, guys. Well, going for the horsepower, in the normal 7-liter V8, it produces up to 360 horsepower, which is not a bad power there. And in the Cobra Jet V8, the factory claimed to have 335 horsepower, but it actually has 390 plus horsepower, guys, in the Cobra Jet V8. So that is really cool. Going for the body style, guys, the body style is a two-door fastback. Talking about the production actually began in 1967 and it ended up in 1968. I wonder why did it just last for 1 year? Well, going for the length, guys, the length of this car is 4,612 millimeters. Talking about the width of this car is 1,732 millimeters. Talking about the weight, the current weight of this car is 1,470 kilograms. So there you have it, guys. That is the end of the information. Now it's time for the ratings. So looking at all of its looks and details and its performance, I give it an 8.5 out of 10, guys. So there it is. That is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also comment your ratings down below. I'll see them next week. Bye-bye now. Enjoy your weekend.